It's recording. Whew, yeah. Back here. Fresh back, well, not fresh back injury, but still recovering from the back or spine injury. Got a package. There's no, yeah, okay. There's nothing like with my address on it over there or anything. I already feel as if there's an issue with this because this box is small, which means it does not seem as if the person double boxes, which would be annoying because they're going to have to send me the box for these. Yeah. Unless for whatever reason, well, not for whatever reason, but unless the box for these is smaller than the other pair. But let's open and see. I'm already annoyed because it took super long to get here. And then, okay, oh no, they sent the box. Okay, good. It would make sense that the box for these are slightly smaller because of the styling. But, yeah. Let's see. So, Alexander McQueen box. Actually, before I even get into that one, let me give you guys an update on these. So, after really wearing them, rain, snow, shine, heat, mud, everything, they finally started to get some damage. Hopefully you guys can see this, but you can see they're separating here. And, not like, well, not on this side. But yeah, they're separating here. And the inside, if you guys can see that, hopefully you can. It's tearing on the heel part. So I am sending them back to Alexander McQueen to get fixed. So, probably wondering, why do you have another pair? Well, because I'm sending these ones to get fixed, and then I got another pair. Similar pair, but not the same. So, no separating on the outside, but on the inside, or the insole part, separation. Yeah, here as well, separation. But again, that's from literally, I wear these every single day to work, between 6 and 18 hours. So, yeah. I just haven't had them on for a couple days because, again, spine injury, so I can't really bend over to tie my shoes. Like, I'm just now getting back my range of motion, which is good. So, yeah. Let's pop these out. Okay, so this box got wet at the bottom, hence the tape. Okay, it's annoying, but yeah, I mean, whatever. I just don't get why they would, yeah, tape the box. That's odd. They could have just not taped it. But, yeah, like. Yeah, that's super annoying, but whatever. Oh, well, you guys can already see, but oh, that's definitely mold. Ooh, that's not good. I think the shoe themselves. The shoes themselves may have mold on it. That's probably not a good idea to be smelling that. So I'm definitely gonna have to wash these. Actually, I don't know. No, that's not mold, but let me see. I can't really tell. Yeah, these boxes are definitely going to have to get discarded at least. The tag from Saks Fifth at the bottom. So yes, these are authentic per usual. I don't like unauthentic things because they don't last from what I see. So yeah. But already, let me see. Yeah, let's compare the size of these. So again, both are 45, and the bottoms are exactly the same. So yeah. Yeah, one thing I do like about these that's different from other sock shoes, I'll actually just show you guys. And I'm more than likely going to send these to get washed, like professionally, because I can't tell if the mold from the box got on them, but I do not want to know that. So I'll just get them washed. But like the sock part of these are very, very durable, but they're thin. The sock part of these are like thick. But I'll try them on, and then I'm just gonna take them off because I have to wash these socks anyway. But I will what do you call it? I'll try these on, take them off, then find a place that can wash them. But one thing I do like, so it has like a similar like feel of this, not like the hard part, but like this rubber piece on the inside here. So that is like good, but yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely just gonna go send these somewhere to get washed or cleaned professionally. But let's pop these off. And then, yeah, so these are the Balmains. These are what I've been wearing since I can't tie my boots yet. Yeah. So we'll throw the McQueens on, and then I'll get a quick look of how they, I'll show you guys how they look really quickly, and then pop them off. Wonder if that mold and stuff is bothering my asthma. That would not be good. But yeah. Oh my God. Ooh. Pardon me. So before I quickly take them off, yeah. Yeah, these are super tough. So in comparison, the Balmain Be Bolds, which are my current work shoes, since I'm gonna have to get these cleaned. And oh my God, since I can't really bend without being in a lot of pain. And since I gotta send these McQueens to McQueen to get fixed. Yeah, but it's the look of these things, bro. My God. Just hold on. But yeah, like, bro. Here are my sock shoes, not including my black pair of Balenciaga speed trainers or my Yeezy socks, but yeah, here's just a couple of them. Yeah, I'm rocking with these. I'll probably order the tan one soon, but these are tough. My God, can't wait to get them back.